Welcome to Chopwell recipe number 8. In today's recipe, let's see how to make chicken momos. For this recipe, I've finely chopped 1 onion, few mint leaves, 10 garlic cloves, handful of cilantro, 1 roughly chopped green chili. Let's add into a blender. Along with this, let's add half tablespoon turmeric powder and 8 to 10 peppercorns. Now let's blend this mixture without adding water. Here I've taken 200 grams of chicken. Let's add chicken into this blender. Make sure you do not add water while blending this mixture. Now the stuffing for momos is ready. Adding salt, you can also add salt while blending the mixture. Let's give a mix and keep aside. Now let's make momo wraps. Here I've taken all-purpose flour or maida, adding salt as required, adding salt and water as required. Now let's make a dough. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. You can also add while kneading. Now let this dough rest for 30 minutes. After resting for 30 minutes, now let's knead again for 5 to 7 minutes. Now start making balls. Time to roll. I'm dusting with all-purpose flour. Here I'm using Nutella cap. You can use cookie cutter or any cap which is of this size. Let's start steaming the pot, adding water, steaming it for 10 minutes. Let's start making momos. Into a dough, I'm adding 1 scoop of chicken mix and start wrapping. This is the easiest way to shape momos. Joining both the corners now. I'm placing banana leaf. It's not required. You can directly keep momos in the steamer. You can totally skip this step. Let's steam these for 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's make Momo's chutney. Into a blender, I'm adding 5 to 6 garlic, 1 roughly chopped tomato, salt as required, and 2 pinch of sugar. Here I've taken 1 tablespoon of chili paste. You can also use soaked dry red chili. Let's blend this mixture into a smooth paste. Here our Momo chutney is ready. I'm adding a temper to this chutney, but you can use just like this. Into a pan, adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Few mustard seeds. Now let's add this chutney and mix well. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. Fry this mixture for 3 minutes. Now, finger licking good chutney is ready. After 12 minutes, let's now check momos. Delicious momos are ready to serve. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Chopwell. See you in recipe number 9.